Here at Cars and Coffee in Scottsdale again. Just want to show you guys. It looks like a Ferrari 512 TR, doesn't it? But with a closer look, you'll see that the fiberglass is wavy and there's a little bit of a interior discrepancy. It's actually got a 4-speed manual, not a 5. There's a wheel spacer, and oh, that looks familiar. That's definitely GM. And whoop, that looks like it's Nissan taillights. But overall, this car looks pretty cool. It's a well-built Ferrari Testarossa, probably the best replica I've ever seen of a Ferrari Testarossa, especially a 512 TR. You can tell that the person who built it took a lot of time to stretch it the proper length, put the proper headlights in, and just did a pretty good job. Even did the interior, even if it's just a dash cover, he did a pretty good job. The gear shifter, I kind of wish he would have went with the gated shifter at least. I've seen this car listed locally for $32,000. The only worry I have is, if you can see, I'm not sure if it'll pop up on the camera, but the roof line looks like it's got hail damage of some sort. But overall, let me see if I can get a shot of the frame. As you can see right there, that's where one of the welds are to stretch the chassis. He even put wheel wells in here, which is unheard of with these kits, and it looks like he's got coilovers on it. That's a worry right there with the wheel spacer, but overall I would rate this kit, this replica, a 9. It's definitely complete compared with other ones that I've seen, so it looks really, really nice for what it is. And you guys got to understand, these cars are not going to be 100% accurate no matter what you do to them. So just wanted to do a quick video, do a quick walk around, and hopefully I'll get some more kit cars for you guys in the near future.